Welcome to Completing a Project Tollgate, Part 1 in the Project Management Series. In the next two videos, we'll learn how our Power Drive team completes a tollgate on our drivetrain project. Ryan, the project manager, and the engineering team will attend a meeting, determine action items, and execute those tasks. Ryan opens the project schedule and navigates to the EBOM phase and the EBOM review milestone. He opens the milestone and creates a meeting in 3DEXPERIENCE. As Ryan defines the scope, he attaches the current truck axle CAD assembly. The objective of the meeting is to perform the EBOM review. Ryan adds decision criteria as a requirement for the EBOM review meeting. Project milestones and tollgates usually include decisions. Project milestone decisions can be reused to maintain continuity and traceability across all projects. Before the meeting is scheduled, Ryan adds his meeting minutes template as an attachment. Observe, once the meeting is scheduled, an invitation shows up in the attendee's Outlook calendar with a link. Ryan will facilitate the meeting. Roman, the design release engineer, will be the presenter of the web conference. From his 3D dashboard, Roman, the design release engineer, leads the meeting. Roman and the team discuss what objects need to be included within the truck axle EBOM. They use 3D Play, the project structure editor, and the engineering release widgets. You have just learned how Ryan, the project manager, facilitates a meeting wherein engineering begins to build an EBOM from the engineering release widget. In the next video, we'll see that Mario has been assigned to complete the truck axle EBOM and how Ryan completes the milestone and tollgate on our drivetrain project.